Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about.
Hey guys, how are you? तो आज हम आए सेक्टर 18 KTM क्योंकि आज हमको सुमित भाई की बाइक में पावरट्रॉनिक इंस्टॉल करना है क्विक शिफ्टर के साथ। तो मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए दो भाई हैं, विशाल और सिद्धार्थ भाई आए हुए हैं हेल्प करने के लिए। ये है पावरट्रॉनिक और देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या क्या मिलता है अपने को। So guys, these are the box contents, the main box, this end plug, wiring harness, programming cable, zip ties and manual, the quick shifter, and the star of the show, the Powertronic ECU. And Vishal bhai will explain something for you. Vishal bhai बताओ क्या है, क्या करने वाले आज हम?
Today we gonna installing this Powertronic piggyback to my friend's bike, the RC 390 2017 model. So this piggyback comes along with the quick shifter. This is the quick shifter module with all wiring harnesses, etc. So now we're gonna jump to the installation video now.
Shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I wonder.
So guys, we got the bike all opened up. ये विशाल भाई ने थोड़ा हेल्प किया, थोड़ा मैंने।
अभी मैंने कर दिया।
चुप कर।
बाकी सपोर्ट
तेरे एक सीन काट दूंगा मैं। यहाँ पे हम ECU रखेंगे और वायरिंग हार्नेस यहाँ से ले जाते हुए कुछ कंपोनेंट यहाँ लगेंगे स्पार्क प्लग के पास और कुछ कंपोनेंट इधर लगेंगे फ्यूल इनटेक के पास। तो जल्दी से हम वायर्स को चैनल कर लेते हैं। विशाल भाई थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दो। हाँ, ये कौन से कनेक्टर किस चीज़ के बता दो जरा व्यूअर्स को।
So these are all connectors. This is for the piggyback. This is the two modes. So in the map 1, you got to disconnect this, and to install the map 2, you got to connect this. This is a plug and play system. There are two maps pre-installed in it.
अभी लैपटॉप
These
है
are
नहीं
some
हमारे
hubs
पास।
for fuel injector, quick shifter, CKD unit, TPS unit,
TPS बोले तो
throttle position sensor. This for the spark plug.
ओके गाइस, अब जल्दी से हम वायर्स को चैनल कर देते हैं।
What was I thinking? Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song, they've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what.
So guys, we got the bike all opened up. We had to remove the tank cover because the wires are a bit short and we don't want all the wires to heat up.
I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song, they've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
सो गाइस ज़्यादातर हमने कनेक्शन कर दिए। अब विशाल भाई क्विक शिफ्टर इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं। थोड़ा सा मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूं कौन से कनेक्टर कहाँ लगे हैं। ये हमने मेन कनेक्टर यहाँ पिलियन सीट पे लिया है, टैंक के नीचे से वायरिंग हार्नेस दी है। ओके, तो जो स्पार्क प्लग कनेक्टर है वो यहाँ से लेते हुए हमने ये दोनों कनेक्ट किए हैं। ये आपका स्पार्क प्लग कनेक्टर, फिर यहीं से ये वायरिंग हार्नेस स्प्लिट होके अंदर की तरफ चली जाती है। दिखेगा नहीं आपको, एक 2 पिन का कनेक्टर है अंदर की तरफ, बहुत अंदर है। टैंक खोल के या किसी दोस्त के पतले हाथ हो तो तभी आप लगा पाओगे। ओके, थर्ड ये है TPS सेंसर, थ्रॉटल पोजीशन सेंसर, उसका कनेक्शन हमने दे दिया है यहाँ से। चौथा कौन सा था? CKP इंजेक्टर। जो चौथा कनेक्टर है
फॉर द इंजेक्टर,
यहाँ पर मिलेगा तुम लोगों को। CKP कनेक्टर कहते थे, वाइट कलर का होगा,
व्हाइट शेड में।
तो वो लगा दिया हमने। तो टोटल 4 कनेक्टर थे, 5वां था आपका क्विक शिफ्टर का, जिसको विशाल भाई लगा रहे हैं अभी। और गाइस बाइक ये हमारी नहीं है, ये सुमित भाई की है। उनका खुद का भी एक चैनल है, सुमित की राइड्स। तो थैंक यू सुमित भाई, आपने अलाउ किया हमें अपनी बाइक पे काम करने को। आई होप आपको हमारा काम पसंद आया सुमित भाई। So guys, we are just checking the harness. Okay, so all okay right now. कोई धुआं हुआ नहीं निकला कहीं से, मतलब सब कुछ सही जगह कनेक्ट हुआ। अभी स्टॉक पर है, अभी हमने इश्यू नहीं लगाया इसमें।
Stock. Now we're going to just switch this chip with the Powertronic box. So we have stock all the wires, the Quickshifter, and this is the chip. So we have 2 modes. This is the Powertronic box, the piggyback, and this is the stock chip, which will override the piggyback with the stock sensor. So we need to pull this. To turn up the piggyback into it, and we just need to press this.
Okay guys,
These are the 2 maps. When we disconnected, it's map 1, and when the jack is connected, it's map 2. So the 2 maps are pre-installed in the box. And if you want other maps, then you have to get it through your laptop or Android smartphone or iOS. There are certain applications for that. So currently we are getting it on the map 2, that is the connected version. So this would be a test run. We would test the quick shifter and the Powertronic box. We need to install the seat first.
so guys, this is the first start after installing.
There are 2 lights blinking. The orange one is the power and the green one is the map. While the Powertronic box has been successfully installed and the light now is on the harness, that stock machine is overlooked by the Powertronic feedback.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real.
अरे रुकिए जरा.
सो गाइस क्विक शिफ्टर और पावरट्रॉनिक इंस्टॉल हो गया. हमने पैडॉक पे चेक किया, ऑलमोस्ट 197 का टॉप स्पीड थी, 5th गियर पे. थोड़ा लेट हो गया हम लोग को, इसलिए अभी हम इस पर रोड टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. रोड टेस्ट हम कुछ दिन बाद करने वाले, उसका वीडियो भी आप लोगों के लिए अपलोड कर दूँगा. सो गाइस कुछ पूछना हो, कुछ बताना हो, कुछ बोलना हो, डू कमेंट. If you enjoyed the video, like this video, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And again I would like to mention thank you Vishal bhai aka Vtech vlog for helping out. Thank you Arvinder bhai for allowing us to do this at your showroom sector 18 KTM. And thank you Sumit bhai for allowing us to install the Powertronic on your bike. This was Deepak. Take care guys, ride safe.
I feel I've been out here trying to kill every beat. I know I will, everything I'm working on every night.